it is. Is there anything to override when we do it? Yeah, that's a point. Onto the main object. Let's have it write a bit of code for us, implement them. Okay, I need a validator, obviously.
Things like validator, just ideas we were just banding around to see where things would go.
Okay.
So it doesn't.
Okay, so it's always return. There's always valid in this case. Right, we'll need a constructor now. Again, we've got to. I'm just trying to think. How does the main object work? 2 seconds, sorry guys. That's fine. Where's our user class gone? There it is. It should be simple. Our user class is dead simple. There it is. Okay. And most of it, we could probably do this through a copy and paste method.
Therein lies the bod.
Now this default constructor which will handle creating the default instance. You also need one if we're bringing it back from the database, which takes the base domain object info as well. That needs to pass that to the base constructor, and that will forward on with a new domain object info. Now that's a standard one. It will generate a fresh GUID, set version to 1, and it's not a lazy loader.
These are the kind of things we want to try and factor out right now. We haven't found ways.
That's right.
This kind of stuff that it's pretty much going to be the same for every object. It would be ideal if you didn't even need to do it. It was dealt with in base things, but
for now
we're not at that level right now.
So it'll have. What does a group have? It'll have a name property, which will probably be a get. Tense name.
Yeah, I don't quite know how Ed's managed to do it. He's made it so we can have global variables without an underscore, which is I don't know how he's doing it, but hopefully in the end,
You have a string name and also have a string description, say.
I'm going to go around everybody's keyboard to take underscore key off them, you know.
I like underscores.
You don't?
I like them.
You do?
Yeah. I find them inordinately useful.
Yeah, but you're the one that was complaining about using them because of
view state.
validation.
Ben, fire away, view state.
I've noticed if you prefix any of your accesses on your objects with underscores, when you actually, when it goes through the page lifecycle, or save view state, when the next time it gets instantiated on load view state, Microsoft's decided in their infinite wisdom that you don't actually need the underscore prefixing your accessor, so it doesn't actually create the object with the state that it's saved on the left.
So what you're saying
strips off the underscores.
If everyone had followed that general convention of underscores being for global variables, your accessors not, then that would never be a problem, would it then?
No, it wouldn't.
No, accessors certainly shouldn't have had underscores, no. But then nor should they.
Okay, so let's crack on. So we can see what Ed's doing really simple, just doing some get setters.
Yeah.